we'll guide you through how to set up Streamlabs stream labels. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs desktop on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, head over to the left menu and click on the dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, scroll down until you find the Widgets section and click on it. Here, you'll see an option called Stream Labels. Click on Stream Labels to open the settings. Stream labels are a great way to showcase recent events on your stream, like new followers or donations. You'll see a download button to get the latest version of Streamlabs software. Click it and follow the installation prompts. After the installation is complete, open the Streamlabs application. You'll need to log in with your Streamlabs account if prompted. Next, choose a folder on your computer where Streamlabs will save the text files. These files contain the information you'll display on your stream. Make sure to remember this folder location. Now, go back to Streamlabs desktop. To add Streamlabs to your stream, go to your current scene and click the plus icon to add a new source. Select text, GDI+, from the list, and then click Add Source. Name your source something like Recent Follower or Recent Donation, depending on what you want to display. In the text source properties, check the Read from File option. Click Browse and navigate to the folder where your Streamlabs files are saved. Select the relevant file, such as mostrecentfollower.txt or mostrecentdonation.txt. Customize the text properties like font, color, and size to match your stream's theme. Repeat these steps for each label you want to add to your stream. And there you have it. Your stream labels are set up and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.